away from Laikipia County to the county of Nairobi, where the High Court bench presiding over the former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua's petition challenging his impeachment has for the second time rejected his demand that he recuses himself. Justice Eric Ogola, Anthony Mrima and Freda Mugambi have also dismissed an application by Fredrick Mula to substitute Gachagua as a petitioner in 4 of the over 30 petitions filed. And as Ruth Wamboi reports, the main petitions are now set for hearing on the 23rd and 24th of October before judgment date is fixed.
Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua had demanded that Justices Eric Ogola, Anthony Mrima and Freda Mugambi recuse themselves from hearing petitions challenging his impeachment, claiming they were biased.
Whether or not the petition succeeds, it may succeed and confirm that yes, we were right. What will happen to that public interest litigation vis-a-vis a question of impartiality that we raised here, we raised in the High Court, in the Court of Appeal, and now in the Supreme Court.
However, the bench rejected the demand for the second time.
Challenging the composition of the bench is dismissed.
The bench also dismissed as premature and unwarranted a request by Fredrick Mula to replace Gachagua in the petition, saying the former DP had notified the court he was not withdrawing the petitions.
In light of the foregoing and considering the constitutional weight of the issues raised, we deem it fit to allow the revocation of the notice of withdrawal and accordingly allow the petition to proceed to hearing on its merits.
On the request to empanel a 5-judge bench, the judges said it's an administrative function of the Chief Justice and not a judicial matter to be reviewed by a bench already in place.
Determination on the composition of a bench in response to a challenge raised within ongoing proceedings would, in substance, invite the Chief Justice to assume a quasi-judicial role in a matter that is properly within the adjudicative jurisdiction of the High Court.
The bench has ordered parties to file their written submissions and rejoined us with oral highlighting of the consolidated impeachment-related petitions set for hearing on 2 consecutive days in October.
Thereafter, the bench will adjourn for the following day, 24th of October, 2025 at 10 a.m., where highlighting will proceed on the part of the respondents and those opposed to the petition.
The request filed by several lawyers had challenged the legality of the current bench, proposing that the file be referred back to the Chief Justice for fresh empanelment. With the court ruling that withdrawal recusal is used by litigants to derail the judicial process, this now leaves Gachagua as the petitioner in the suit he originally filed. Ruth Wamboi reporting from Milimani Law Court.